Hello, Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to a new special phrase of the day episode from Linguamid. In each episode, I introduce one daily use phrase in both Modern Standard Arabic and also in Egyptian Arabic. Before I dive into today's phrase, don't forget to check my first comment and enroll for 100% free in my online course Egyptian Arabic 101. It's designed for complete beginner and aims to give you the foundation that you need in order to start learning the Egyptian Arabic dialect. And also don't forget to like and subscribe to this video and subscribe to the channel, and also don't forget to share this video if you found it useful.
The spoken Egyptian version of I am motivated is أنا متحمس. أنا متحمس. And this is for male if a male is speaking. If a female is speaking, it's أنا متحمسة. أنا متحمسة, which is the typical rule. We always say the tight ta or at the end to give you the female alternative. So أنا متحمس, I am motivated, male speaking. أنا متحمسة, female speaking. So أنا متحمس, أنا متحمسة. Actually, for this particular phrase, the Modern Standard Arabic is exactly the same as the Egyptian or the spoken Egyptian. أنا متحمس, أنا متحمسة is also Modern Standard Arabic. So we have this phrase directly derived from Modern Standard Arabic. So it has no difference. Okay? So you say أنا متحمس for male, أنا متحمسة for female.
Did you find the phrase easy? Tell me in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the Egyptian Arabic 101 course. Enrollment in the comment section below.